Alright, today another review. We're going to review the Hario Canister mill, the ceramic Burr grinder. First and foremost, you can see the design. The design is pretty cool. It's like an old hand grinder. Here you can see a vessel where the ground coffee will be stored. This is the grinder. And it's pretty awesome, pretty cool in a kitchen. The handle and all the design. If we get a little bit closer, you'll see the different features. So it's pretty. Really nice wood finishes and the handle as well. Okay, so now how to use it? It's pretty simple. You have to unscrew the handle. Oops. And whenever you unscrew, if you screw it to the right, you will get the cylinder, the Burr grinders, together, so a finer ground. And the more you screw it to the left, the more it gets coarse, as you can see here. Just almost unscrew it, and we see in here the space between the two ceramic parts are really big, instead of a really coarse, fine grind, where the space is really small. So, like, I use maybe this for an AeroPress, 360, Chemex, and then French press. Let's test now if the ground coffee are consistent and how to use it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the finest grind size. Just a little bit. Okay. Then put this thing to just fix it. Handle, screw, and this piece aims to prevent the beans to pop out. Then you just have to so even just for 5 grams, it's a little bit of hard work. Make sure you just grind all the beans. Okay, fine. Let's see the result. It's pretty awesome. Grinds are pretty consistent for hand grinder. It's very unique. Most of the hand grinders struggle grinding really fine, but this is really good. Can be used as an espresso, but you have to taste it. But I really like the fine grind in this hand grinder. Let's now grind a little bit coarser for AeroPress. Okay, so I'm gonna change the grind size, and I'm gonna just unscrew it a little bit. Yep. This can be maybe AeroPress or filter V60. Let's see what we have. A little bit just for the test. Okay, so let's see this one. You can see a notable difference. I will use it for maybe an AeroPress or special one, or depending on the origin. But you can see different in terms of consistency is pretty good. There's no huge, or we can see like maybe like a really big one here, but generally speaking, it's pretty convenient for AeroPress and V60 as well. Let's now grind coarser. Alright, so let's see now for French press, and you'll see that it's pretty inconsistent. Almost a cold brew, but it's really bad. I haven't even unscrewed it to the top, and you can see here a huge difference in terms of consistencies, evenness, and of course grind time. Some of the beans are barely grind, you see, but if you're brewing V60, Calida, AeroPress, it's perfect. So to put it in a nutshell, the Hario hand grinder canister mill ceramic Burr grinder is a pretty cool coffee equipment with a really great design. In terms of coffee evenness and actual grinding, as you can see here, if you're a really good coffee enthusiast and home brewer or home baristas, and you're using V60, Calida, AeroPress, this is a really good one. Now, if you're doing cold brews and French press, it's not recommended.